The Hingham Historical Society lecture series captivates audiences with bold ideas, compelling stories, and fresh perspectives on the people and forces that shaped Hingham's past. Hosted here live at the Hingham Heritage Museum and digitally via Zoom, this year's series, Revisiting the Revolution Part 2, will take our subscribers deeper into stories for our nation's very beginnings. Our guest speakers are historians and artists whose work offers bold new insights, spirited dialogue, and a deeper appreciation for the struggle and sacrifice that launched the American experiment. We're kicking things off in September with Jack Warren, who will be speaking about freedom, the enduring importance of the American Revolution. Then we have Dr. Zara Anishanlan, who will be speaking about her new book, The Painter's Fire. In December, we'll have Tasting History with local food writer and historian Meg Muckenhoft. In January, we're looking at From Hingham to the Americas and exploring new perspectives on the 18th century at the MFA with the Associate Curator, Dr. Lucia Abramovich-Sanchez. We'll then be looking at Hingham's Black Revolutionaries with our local historian Paula Bagger in February. And in March, it's History and Harmony with composer David Sieri, who will talk about and perform excerpts from the score he wrote for Ken Burns' new PBS documentary, The American Revolution. And we're ending things in April with a preview of a new book to be published by the Hingham Historical Society by award-winning author James B. Conroy, Hingham in the Revolution. Whether you join us in person or via Zoom, we hope you'll join us for Revisiting the Revolution, the 2025-2026 Hingham Historical Society Lecture Series.